The AirPods 2, officially referred to as the new AirPods by Apple, have launched with a couple new features to try and win over your wallet. These wireless earphones quietly made their way to the Apple Store last week. They're not the radically new AirPods we've seen teased from patent filings and infamous leakers. The AirPods bringing a brand new design should arrive sometime in 2020, so if you're expecting those, these are not them. Basically, with the new second generation AirPods, there are two options. AirPods with a wireless charging case for $199, and the standard AirPods with a standard charging case for $159. You can buy just the wireless charging case for $79 for your current AirPods, but if you're on the market for the new AirPods and you value the convenience of wireless charging, you'll probably want to buy the $200 model. What's kind of funny about the box is that it references Apple's AirPower wireless charging mat that's been delayed for many months. The product was announced back in 2017, but we still haven't heard anything from Apple about it. My guess is that one day it's just quietly going to show up in the Apple Store and Apple will barely acknowledge its existence. The good news is that you don't need the AirPower mat. You can use any Qi certified wireless charger. So after peeling off the plastic and lifting off the top of the box, we'll see a packet of paperwork detailing the warranty and showing you how to set up these earphones. Underneath that, we'll find the new AirPods in their iconic floss container. This container is definitely slippery and will never look as clean as it does here since it'll be picking up the lint in my pocket for most of its days. But I gotta say, the size is really nice. They're small enough to fit in that mini pocket in almost every pair of jeans. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. Last but not least, we have a lightning cable used for charging if you want to go down the wired charging route. So the new AirPods are super easy to set up, even easier than they were in the first generation. They feature the all-new H1 headphone chip that, among other things, will automatically connect to your iPhone faster than the previous W1 chip. So in addition to faster pairing, this new H1 chip improves syncing for video and gaming, resulting in lower latency, and you do get better audio processing that results in better microphone quality. You also get improved battery life, which is one of the biggest new features of these AirPods. They actually feature the same size battery capacity as the previous model, but the new H1 chip enables up to 50% longer talk time than the originals. Another feature is their support for Hey Siri, which is always listening and ready to start taking commands. If you disable it, which you can totally do in the settings of your iPhone, you'll actually get even longer battery life. Just note that this disables the functionality for your iPhone too. As for the wireless charging, you can throw this case on any Qi wireless charging pad and they'll charge at a speed of 5 watts. That's pretty slow for smartphone standards, but Apple says you can get 3 hours of music listening in just 15 minutes of charging. The indicator light has been moved to the outside of the case, so it's easier to see when it's on a charging pad. The red icon means it's still charging up, the green icon means it's full of juice, and the white blinking icon means it's pairing. Other than that, these AirPods have the same exact antenna-shaped design, and the audio quality is the same as the previous generation. Apple has actually confirmed that there's no change in audio quality, so if you were thinking about getting these new AirPods for improved audio quality, don't. I'll be testing this accessory out to see how it performs in daily use, so let me know in a comment if you'd like to see a full review after a week or two. I'll place a link in the description to check out these AirPods via the Apple Store if you're interested. With that said, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.